How's it going, guys? It's Dale here for DG Tech and Hardware. Now I've got a little update for you today. It's not directly related to the project Mini Validus, which if you want to check out, make sure you check out the link here on the screen. It's just in relation to mechanical keyboards. Now I have a Ducky Legend behind me here, and what we're going to do today is just install some rubber O-rings under the keys. This is on MX Browns, which is not loud by any means at all, but you do get the key bottom out. So what I'm going to show you today is just a really cheap, simple modification that you can do to your mechanical keyboard just to quieten it down and stop those keys from bottoming out. So what we'll do is we'll bring you in, have a quick look, really fast-paced tutorial today, and hopefully you'll find it useful. Cheers. How you going, guys? So we've got a close-up of the keyboard here. Now, like I said before, this is a Ducky Legend, which has got white backlighting and with cherry MX Brown keys. You can hear it's not too bad, but most of the noise you get is from the keys bottom out, not actually an actuation. So to try and avoid that, like I said, is we're going to install some rubber O-rings. And these rubber O-rings I got off eBay now, they're about $1.30, maybe $1.60, something like that, delivered from China to Australia. So I'm not quite sure how they're doing it that cheap, but for that sort of price, it's hard to go wrong, even if they don't work sort of as well as you may have hoped. And I'll certainly give you that feedback. For a couple of bucks, it's worth giving a go. Now, there's 150 in this pack, so plenty to do a full-size keyboard. So just put them there. Now, this keyboard, being a Ducky, comes with a few spare keys and also a keycap puller. Now, I know my Corsair K95 did not come with a keycap puller, so that might be something that you need to try and track down, see if a friend's got a keyboard or work out another means of pulling out the keys. So what you want to do is pop the keycap puller over the key, put a bolt, get the key out, and this is where we were going to put the O-ring on here. So it just slides over and around the stem. Like so. Hopefully you can see it on there. Pop it on. And the difference immediately. So it's just stopping the key from bottoming out. It shouldn't take away from the feel. The actuation point should be the same. It'll just be when you really strike the key, and I'm quite a heavy typer. When you really strike the key, you shouldn't get that loud clack as the key bottoms out. So as you can see, a really simple mod for a couple of bucks. You know, it's worth doing. It'll quieten down your keyboard and it doesn't take away any of the feel. So I am going to get busy and pop the rest of these on. So thanks for tuning in.